Hi, welcome back to NVIQ. And let me show you how to get started with using our system. If you are a restaurant or somewhat related restaurant kind of products, then you need to click on restaurant demo and it will fill in the credential for you to sign in to go behind the scene to look at the restaurant demo. But if you're more like door manufacturer demo, you click on door manufacturer demo and the will change appropriately and you can click sign in to get in. And I'm in the business here, KimTamak.com Inc. and this business create door. Right now, the only product that we have for testing is door six panel design. And the reason why when we did this only because there's so many items that go into in this product. So generic ingredients saying that these are all the things that go into all of your products, not just one. So let's say you are selling um, six panel design. You also sell eight panel design or 11 panel design or aluminum door. Whatever the product that go into all of your door need to come here. This is like a what they call generic ingredients. It does not go for each product yet. Once you create this, you can go to product recipes and it would for underneath here you will assign which one of these items go with which product. In this case, external door six panel design has all of these items which we call ingredient. So now you can see that for people that who interested in to know what your current physical inventory is, this is where you get it, and you also can get it from the dashboard. The minute you get in, they tell you that exactly what your current stock status, and if you have a threshold set for that particular product, then it will tell you whether you have how many days left that you need to purchase based on your threshold that you set, and also based on your daily sales. It go everything based on your daily sales. So right here you can see that this particular company had no need to purchase anything for a long time. I think because we were most like they test under restaurant. So this product had not been used a lot for testing. So you can see that here they have plenty of stock. Now daily sale, that's where you come in and tell system but this particular day, like September 17, the last entry they sell five of this door. When you put five in, it will calculate for each of the recipe go into this door, make this door. It will tell you exactly how many of each one that they sell. I mean exactly, meaning that it goes at three decimal long. It doesn't round up yet at this stage. Okay, so like for an example, you can see that where the shipping they are using zero point 0.5 of the package, but when they purchase from vendor, they will purchase a round number, like one package. So we don't want to round it here because it's going to be like misleading. We want to be exact as possible so you don't have to buy inventory that you don't really need. So you can see that before sale, meaning that it's a whole number. You have 101 packages. After the sale, you have 100.5 package. That means you already spent zero point 0.5 package out of 1.1. So you can see it's very detailed, but very accurate. So now you can just tell exactly what you need, right? So then, so when you product recipes as well will come in, and I'm going to add, for the ingredient, you can either select which product you want to add and selecting because these are the things here that you see on the right hand side. They come from the items file that you can put everything that you sell in your company. It will display here, and you just select which one of those ingredients go into this product that you select right here after the six panel design, and then you can just tell like sometimes when you can see the unit of measurement is sometimes it's quart, sometimes it's tube, sometimes it's plate, sometimes it's a set, and this is where you set it units right here. You set all the possible combination of unit. Like a package can go by unit, like how many packages, or they can go by how many plates, how many pieces per package. So these are the things that you need to set it up also before you actually can use the system. And a vendor, if you don't use a vendor at all, so this information doesn't have to be added. Actually, you do have to add which vendor going where because that's how they calculate for you to purchase. For the information only, you don't have to actually use AI to do any of the work. But you can tell, okay, well, I bought that from Home Depot. I need to call Home Depot up. So this is just for you to know. And business profile, if you're going to use AI, this information critical because AI can tell your vendor who you are, where you are, and also like your email address and phone number of your company, so they can in touch with you if there's some weird about your order. Because AI gonna make the phone call for you. So dashboard is where everything is. So now let me get into another product that need to order something so you can see how AI really works. For the people who don't use AI, you can just get leave right now. So I'm just gonna log out here and I'm just gonna go to restaurant demo. I'm gonna sign in. And as you can see from the dashboard that they do need to order 20 jar pickles, 5 wrapper buns with sesame. So now what you do, you can do place all orders, and when you do that, it will tell you if you have more than one vendor to buy pickles from, it will display here for you. So you can see that it tells you exactly what you need to do. And if you want to use AI, then you click on this button here. AI will take over and AI will call your vendor, Restaurant Depot. Here's the email of Restaurant Depot, and here's the phone number for Restaurant Depot. It will play this exact order. It will call first, and then it will play this exact order. Send to the email. Also send to you a copy, so you know exactly what's going on. And I just wanted to know, thank you very much for being here, and I hope you're gonna join us soon to use our very simple but very accurate physical inventory.